This is all the tools that are required for servicing the mixers: 3/8 ratchet, 10mm Allen wrench, a 19mm wrench, small blade screwdriver for removing the nylon sealing washers, and always replace the washer when removed, and resealing Sikaflex 11 FC. Now we're going to perform the service on a TR50 mixer. Maintenance on a TR50 to a TR90 mixer. You've got 4 plugs for the pre-chamber and the gearbox, 2 plugs for the oil change. Every year you do the pre-chamber and the gearbox. Every 3 years you do the motor chamber. So to start with that, the plugs are going to have Sikaflex on them, like this here. So you take your cutting tool and cut the Sikaflex off. Once you get it off the plugs, you'll have gray plugs here, and here, here, and here. Take your little screwdriver, pop the plugs off so you can access the plugs. Pull your plugs off, lay them to the side. You want to reuse those if possible. Always remember to loosen the top plugs, because these units will pressurize, and if you don't loosen those, it's possible to spray you when you take the bottom out. So with these completely loose, out of the way, just stick them back in the top. Then take your bottom ones. Do your pre-chamber first, because that's where you're going to notice if there's any water, it's going to be there. Take it out, slowly remove it. You will get a little bit of water, and when I say a little bit, maybe a tablespoon, that's normal. If it's clear, that's fine. Service it, put it back. If it's black, thick, you need to get it to a maintenance shop for repairs. So with that plug out, you drain it. Do the same thing on the gearbox. This is done once a year. Pull it, drain it. When they're through draining, pull your nylon sealing washers out on all 4 plugs. Replace with new ones, because once they have used, they're not any good anymore. So replace them with new ones. All 4 nylon washers in place. Put them inside. Do not put them on the plugs. Put the new plugs back in. When tightening, pull it down to it snug. Slowly pull it a quarter of a round more to indent the nylon washer. Do not over tighten. Once you've done that, put your old seal caps back on. Once your plugs are in place, all 4, then take your Sikaflex, put around them, and cover it completely with Sikaflex. Same way with the side. And then you're ready to go back into service.